Hey everybody, I'm Jesse Showalter, and in this episode, I'm gonna share with you 5 little things that are on my desk right now that I absolutely love, couldn't live without as a designer, and all of them are pretty cheap. First up on the list of little things to have on my desk is, of course, a notebook. I always have a notebook with me, either in my backpack or on my desk. Doesn't matter what kind of notebook it is, but this one happens to be a moleskin that I got off Amazon. For me, all I really care about is that it has pages inside that I can do my wireframing and concepting and write down lists and to-dos and all my ideas in. Notebooks are awesome to have. What do I write inside my notebook with? Is it a special pen or pencil? No, it's just anything that's around me. So there you go, that's a notebook. Okay, item number 2 that I use all the time, and I honestly just couldn't live without, is this cheap little $9 whiteboard that I got from the corner store. It's not a big one, doesn't need to be a big one, and when my notebook is just a little too permanent and I need to get ideas out fast and just concept things, sometimes I just move to the whiteboard with this cheap little whiteboard marker and just start drilling things out here. I cannot tell you how much magic has happened on this board. It just feels very fluid, it's very easy to draw things up. Sometimes I just jump on a video chat with my design team and just start sketching things up like this in real time. See that? That's a design. That's an idea. Do you like that? Boom, if you do, it's because the whiteboard was there for you. Okay, next up on my list is gonna seem a little less important, but it's very important because it's a water bottle, and water is important because water is life. It reminds me to drink a few of these throughout the day, and me, I work in an upstairs office. I don't have to go up and down the stairs as many times to get water and stay hydrated. So this little guy is a good deal. You can use anything you want, a Hydro Flask, a Nalgene, a big old, bucket. I don't care, whatever. Just stay hydrated while you work. It's a good thing. Okay, next thing on the list of must-haves I actually just got, and it's this little bendy iPhone tripod thingy. It's made by Intronic, I think, a company. I got it off Amazon and it was $9 on sale that day. And I'm usually pretty skeptical about things like this, but this one actually holds its shape really good, and you can bend it into any position or shape that you want. It has like a ball joint thing here in the back, so you can actually move your phone around. So once you bend it, there's a lot of versatility here. You can be watching movies that way and then put it back this way to do prototyping and viewing your designs in Sketch Mirror. And then this has a nice solid clamp that you actually turn. You put it on your desk or in your car or whatever, and you actually clamp it down, and it's really, really strong. I like to have this right below or to the left of my screen, like I said earlier, so while I'm designing, I can see the things that I'm working on while I'm prototyping or designing them and previewing them in something like Sketch Mirror. This thing's a game changer because I used to constantly just have my phone sitting on my desk and picking it up, putting it back down to view the designs. If you're a product designer and you design for the phone, man, you gotta have one of these things because you can put it anywhere. Okay, the last thing that's on my list has to do with my computer gear. And although I have this 2018 MacBook Pro and this awesome 32-inch LG monitor behind me and a rain stand for my laptop, all of that would really, really stink if I had to use millions of dongles coming out of this stupid new laptop. I really, really like my laptop. I just don't want it to look like a Christmas tree. So to solve the problem of dongle city, I got this little adapter. It's a USB-C adapter made by a company called Pergo. It has 2 USB-C inputs that go right into the side of my computer like that, and then it has 2 active USB-Cs right there. It also has an HDMI and 2 regular USBs down at the bottom. And so I can plug this into the side of my computer, and I can put my display that goes in USB-C right there. I can put my charger in that goes right there, and I can put in my hard drive and my other hard drive or my SD memory card reader right there. And it all it goes right in there. It butts up right next to the computer. It's the same space metal gray as my laptop, and the thing fits right in my pocket if I was gonna run out the door. I know there's a lot of other ones out there, and I don't know, maybe go for one of those. This one was 60 bucks. It worked just fine for me, and I've had no real problems with it whatsoever. Well, that's it. Those are the 5 things that are on my desk right now that I just really get a kick out of. What kind of things do you guys have on your desk in your office that you really love? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to know. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I do lots of videos about design and development and creatively minded things just like this one, so maybe stick around. I hope you guys are having an amazing week, designing amazing things, making amazing things. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. See ya.